probably not, but
better safe than sorry.
That's the thing coming down here, coming across
Got
all
it.
the way to there, so.
No sweat, man. I heard you saying don't let anybody drive across there.
There's a couple of these in town.
Yeah, I heard a couple tree branches across. I heard it. This line was across the top of the bus.
Yeah, it was across the bus. They got it off, but the cop was right behind it.
Yeah. Keeping anybody from driving across the road here.
Right. Yeah, power line that came across the road right here, and the trees that are down. It's not safe for anybody to drive across it. We don't know if the lines are live or not, but can't take that chance. So city power should be out here soon to take care of it.
So a tree branch nailed you, huh?
Yeah, one of a million in town.